I'm going to show you today how we drop anchor and what is the purpose, what all terms we use during anchorage. And the reason we normally drop anchor is sometimes what happens, we come to the port and the berth is not clear. We have to wait for our berthing schedule to get alongside as per our booking by the agent in the port. So for waiting, we cannot continue drifting in the sea or in the river. So what we do, we drop our anchor in the good position as it is described by the port or the local authorities, that we can drop anchor in this area. Then we take our vessel to that position in the anchorage prescribed. Then we prepare the anchor, say port or starboard, whichever anchor we normally want to use. It is mostly decided according to the pilot or the master's order, and also depending on the current and tide. So once it is confirmed that we are going to drop anchor, then what we do, we prepare our anchor accordingly. Now I'm already at anchor station, so you can see this is the anchor.
I will let you know when to prepare.
Copy, sir. Just standing by forward. So guys, this is our anchor. This is what we call our starboard anchor, and we have other anchor, that is our port anchor. Normally the communication is done by VHF. This is our VHF which we carry whenever we are at the station or during anchor station. For preparation of the anchor, what we have to do, we have to just remove this lashing. As you can see, this lashing is already removed by the bosun. And second thing, we have to remove this stopper. Take out this pin from here and keep it up so that anchor the chain get free. And after that, we remove our we disengage our gear and keep the anchor on the brakes. So as you can see, this is the brake. Once we tight the brake from there, the bosun normally he does this job, and once he's tight, the anchor get tight and the weight all just come on the brake, and then we disengage the gear. You can see here is the lever. This is the lever for operation, and this is our brake. These two are anchor wash valves. Normally this red color is for port side and green is for the starboard side. Whichever anchor we are using during HEVOC, we need our anchor chain to be cleaned. So we open this valve and start the pump so that we can take water from the sea or the river, and that water goes inside this hose pipe. The flow of the water, it suits the chain, because of which our chain get cleaned. So these valves are nothing, just like to wash our chain actually. So guys, as pilot is already on board, and we are waiting for pilot instruction at the anchor station. Once he clear where we have to go and drop anchor, then we will prepare our anchor for dropping. So as you can see, there are few vessels ahead of us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 4 vessels are ahead of us. They are normally entering into the lock gate, and because they are on that location where we have to drop anchor, so we are waiting over here. Once those ships will go inside, then only we can go and drop anchor. We are actually in the river. This is river. guys, as we already got the information that we have to prepare port anchor, so here we are slacking the port anchor. We are slacking it, preparing it up to the water level. Lower boss. As you can see, we are moving and our anchor is going down. We have to keep it up to the water level. In the river, actually there are 4 vessels, as I told you before, so we have to go ahead of this vessel, and that vessel will go ahead of that, and then we will drop the anchor. So this is the plan which is prepared by master and the pilot.
As soon as the chain starts leading forward, let me know. Copy forward. Now up and down. Okay. Sir, 2 on deck, chain up and down, brakes open. Okay, 2 on deck.
So we have dropped now 3 shackle in the water, and after dropping anchor, we need to put this anchor ball. He is our cadet. He's putting the anchor ball up now. So you can see he's putting the anchor ball up. Now our anchor ball is already up. So we are at anchor, waiting for further instructions by master. So guys, hope you like my video. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. It will help me to grow my channel. So thank you. I'll keep you posted for new videos. Keep watching. Bye bye. Thank you.